Hello, I'm going to present to you today a very special classic car. This here behind me is a Jaguar XK120 from 1953 and it's for sale. So I'm going to tell you all about it right now. This Jaguar XK120 Cabrio has been restored to a very high quality with a few modern upgrades added, making it a nicer car to drive. It has had a pinion steering rack fitted for easier steering. The original gearbox has been swapped for a 5-speed transmission, and also the front brakes have been changed to discs, so now this classic roadster has some decent stopping power. There's only one side mirror on this car, which is this tiny little thing here. Can't really see a lot through it, but it's cute. It gives the car character. The rear view mirror is tiny as well. I think it's more to put makeup on than to actually see what's behind you. Anyway, nice little car. Under the bonnet sits a 3.4 litre engine that produces 160 brake horsepower. When this car was new, it could hit 100 kilometers an hour in just 8.5 seconds and had a top speed of 196 kilometers per hour, which is around 122 miles per hour. So let's see what this thing sounds like then. It's actually a push start. That sounds really nice. So one feature this car has, which is different than most cars I've seen, and something you've probably never seen, is the rev counter is in reverse. Yeah, have a look. This Jaguar XK120 is currently registered on Spanish historic plates and comes with a genuine Jaguar Heritage Certificate. Hey, so we have brought this Jaguar to the Mercadillo del Toro to see how well it performs. You never know, it might even win. So while we're here, let's have a look around and see what other cars they got on display. Winner in the Best American Car category was this stunning Ford Thunderbird, and the winner of the Best European Car was the Jaguar XK120. Winner of the Best Bike Award was this Harley-Davidson Dulux. Owners of these three awesome vehicles were called up to receive their trophies.
Here we are, the winner for Best American, the most commended beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, the owner of the XK, please. Jaguar owner. Here we are. Round of applause, please. And the owner of the motorcycle, please. Here we are. Round of applause for the best motorbike. Harley Davidson. All three together, please.
So there we go, the Jag won it. Look at that, lovely little trophy. What a fantastic end to the day. You know, I had a feeling this might win because it's such a beautiful car. Well, that brings us to the end of the video, and like I said earlier, this Jaguar is actually for sale. and I'm going to put all the information in the description below so you can find out more. It's got an asking price of $97,000, so if you want to take a look and find out more, hit the link in the description. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.